So this video is to show how to install a pop-up sink drain in a bathroom sink. The old sink drain was not installed correctly and was extremely moldy. So we're going to install this. After removing the old drain, you'll see that the first step would be to apply the plumber's putty. Notice that I put a decent amount around the rim of the sinkhole. Here's the plumber's putty. You could get it at almost any hardware store. The trick is to get it in your hand and roll it out like a snake, and then apply it around the ring of the sinkhole. So I placed the stopper at the top point, just on top of the plumber's putty, and from underneath I'm going to screw in it without messing with the plumber's putty all that much. You'll see the threads are right here to screw up into the top of the flange. You'll see that I used as much putty as I can to secure around the tailpiece, or I should say the top of the tailpiece. And then I screwed the flange as tight as I can, and then pressed downward, leaving the putty almost no space on the outer diameter. And now we're going to screw or use a wrench to screw this piece upwards to secure it from the bottom. I hand tightened this gold colored nut as tight as I can, and now I'm going to use a wrench to tighten it as much as possible. Once it's tightened all the way up, you can come back up here and remove